are in 2025 and adventure is the future of motorcycle industry. Come check this out.
How in the gates of hell? That was very close. Holy cow! Well, that was very, very close. Hey, this bike is so heavy. This bike is so heavy. That was close. That was very close. When you get lost, you just make it look beautiful.
Just a quick check on this showroom. You can tell we have all the types of motorcycles here. We have sports, we have off-road dual sports, more dual sports, entry-level adventure. We have more sport, we have the cafe racers, we have sport, we have off-road, the lightweight dual sports, more of the highway adventure touring. We have this adventure touring with boxes, and the story goes on and on and on and on. But one thing for sure is, if you look at the population of the motorcycles that we have here, most of them are meant for long distance traveling, and they are bikes that also have the capacity to go off-road. Okay, and this is how the world is looking like. At this day and age, people want to travel on motorcycles. And because they want to travel on motorcycles, they are looking for motorcycles that can be multi-purpose. Especially on this side of Africa, where people do not have a lot of disposable income to buy a weekend motorcycle, weekdays motorcycle, holiday motorcycle. You don't have a lot of disposable income to purchase a lot of bikes and keep them lying idle at home. When you're riding one, you have two of them packed in your garage. So people are looking for one motorcycle that can do everything. Take you to work, where you earn money. Take you to your village, away from the city. It can take you through rough roads, because definitely in Africa, we are so proud to have bad roads, and I'm saying that without any reservations. Our system is so proud to have bad roads. So now, you need a motorcycle that can endure bad and harsh climatic conditions. When it comes to bad roads, it is raining, you have potholes, you have muddy roads, you have all kinds of bad roads. So now, people are looking for that one specific motorcycle that can take them everywhere. And that is where the entry-level adventure motorcycles are coming in. And for instance, in my country, Kenya, we have this bike called the Tekken 250. This motorcycle is so popular in this country because of that one specific reason. It is a 250cc single that can take you to work, take you to the village, run errands around the city. You can carry a passenger. It has a passenger seat big enough to carry your partner or your friend, and the rider seat. And it comes with these things, the pannier racks, the top box. This motorcycle leaves the showroom with 3 boxes. This one is Zongshen. This is a 200cc, comes with this one box. The reason why they are going to be popular as we move on is because they can do everything. When you have a low budget and you want to buy a new motorcycle, these bikes come in. When we go to the community of people who have more disposable income to purchase motorcycles, that is where now we get into the more expensive motorcycles like this one. This one. This is a 900cc from Vogue. This is DSX 900. This is a giant adventure motorcycle. This is for the people with more, slightly higher disposable income. Okay? Because this one can buy almost 5 of the other ones. So this one is a bike that is meant for those people with some good income for purchase and maintenance. But they also want that one motorcycle that can take them everywhere. This one comes with 3 aluminum boxes. They are not yet attached, but it has 3 aluminum boxes. The reason why people want those boxes is when you're traveling, you want somewhere to put your luggage. Okay? You want that one thing that can secure your luggage from bad weather and from theft. Okay? From bad weather and from theft. So people are looking for that one motorcycle that is going to serve them. When you're landing around in the city, you have a place, you can press your helmet, you can press your shopping, you can put your laptop, you can put your cameras. For people like myself who run around with cameras, you're looking for that one place you can pack up your stuff and they will be safe. Adventure motorcycles are also coming in because of their height from the ground. So you can see these are tall bikes. Because of their height from the ground, they save you from a lot of stuff, especially when you're landing through bad roads. These motorcycles press you high enough. Let me show you this. They press you high enough from the ground to a point you do not really suffer from those conditions that can mess up your boots or stuff like that, especially when you're running your errands around the city. You want to remain clean. Yeah, you want to remain clean. Maybe you are even wearing some sneakers. You're running around from the office to another office somewhere. Maybe some people are even landing in their suits. Just a riding jacket on top of your suit. You want to remain clean. Adventure bikes are tall enough to keep you higher from the ground to a point you don't really get so dirty. Okay? Adventure motorcycles are also coming with protection. For instance, this one. These are handguards. This is a windshield. These are crash guards. Okay? So, in case this motorcycle unfortunately goes down, you have some protection for it. You have some protection for it. For the sport bikes, unfortunately, they don't come with those things. A lot of those things are not offered on sport bikes. So, the adventure motorcycle world is serving the purpose of all the needs that riders have, especially when you go to the high-end adventure motorcycles. People who want speed, those bikes are offering. People who want comfort, those bikes are offering. Good looks, those bikes are offering. Okay? Good fuel economy, those bikes are offering. And when you pull up somewhere, they pull a crowd. I mean, they're good looking and people appreciate how they look. So if you have a budget for that one specific motorcycle that you want to learn everything with, adventure is the only way. You want to go to the mountains, that bike is going to take you there. You want to go to your village, that bike is going to take you there. You're running errands around the city, that bike is going to do that. That is why you see all over the world, adventure motorcycles are becoming very popular. The likes of BMW GS, the likes of Tenere, the likes of Honda CRF Africa Twin, The likes of CF Motors, FMT, the likes of KTM, 1190, 1290s, those bikes are becoming very, very popular as the days go by. And it is because they can serve as that one specific do-it-all motorcycle. You want to take it anywhere, that bike is going to go there. You want to do anything with it, that bike is going to go there. They are coming with a lot of technology. They are very comfortable. They are very safe, very good looking, and they can take you anywhere you want. And the day you want to carry a passenger for a long trip, you can. That day you want to carry luggage, you can. Running errands around the city, you can. So for people with low budgets, this is where now the likes of these entry-level adventure motorcycles are coming in. For people who are starting, you start from here. When you get some more money, when you get some more experience, you go now to the giant motorcycles. But the fact remains, adventure bikes are the future of motorcycle industry. There are no two ways about it. There are no two ways about it. The dust. Come on. Can you see what I'm seeing? Ah, this is hilarious. This is